Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and another clean with me video. Today I'm sharing with you a power hour that I did the other day. I gave myself an hour to run around the house and get as much done as possible. Most of the tasks were my general daily cleaning task, but on this day it was especially messy. I had to give myself a time limit because I had so much to do, but I also had to do so much work for YouTube that day. So I didn't have a ton of time, and giving myself a time limit sped things up. I'm going to share with you everything I got done, and I hope it gives you loads of cleaning motivation. And if you do like cleaning content like this, I would love for you to consider subscribing for more videos. And with all that said, let's keep on cleaning. I like to listen to music or a book on Audible, and on this day I was listening to the book on Audible. I just think it makes cleaning go by faster. I'm just showing you I picked up these Dollar Tree calendars. Our Dollar Tree finally got them, except not the farm fresh ones. And I was super excited when we were able to get those here. So over here on my dining room, I have slowly started to gather things around and putting them on top. Whenever we travel, I have a dedicated area where I just put things that I need to pack in there, and we are going camping, so there's tons of stuff that needs to be packed up. So I wanted to start and putting some stuff here, and I did already, but I had all these papers. They were actually vaccination certificates for dogs laid out because they got wet, and I wanted to get them dried because I still need them especially the rabies shot ones, whenever we take them for grooming, we need to show the proof. So I was just gathering those up, folding them and putting them away. But I will be using my dining room table as a dumping zone for all the things that I'm going to be packing.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best. I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the...
So if you've been following me for a while here or over on my other channels or Instagram, you do know that I have 2 dogs, but I do have 2 dogs that are under 18 months, and I'm gonna tell you, they make more mess than the toddlers did from my home daycare when I was running a home daycare. I am constantly picking up bones, toys, all the things that they take out of their toy bin and just toss around the house. Now, because I was strapped for time, I am going to turn the vacuum cleaner on. I have a Shark one that I picked up at Costco. It doesn't do the greatest job. Sometimes it can't even do the main floor on one charge, but it does come in handy when I just can't do it myself. And we have to vacuum every day because the dog hair is just unbelievable. So I'm going to turn that on, take out the garbage, as you can see in the corner, and that is it for this video. My power hour is done, and I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.
There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying high.